Preparing for flight. Check out all the manuals before use. Before taking off, make sure both the batteries and the controller are fully charged. Scan the QR code on the manual to download the app. Or search Veeniix Fly in the App Store to download it. Make sure to finish the FAA registration before use. Checking the drone. Remove the propeller holder. Check and unfold the V11 drone's arms. Make sure to unfold the front arm's landing gear. Check whether the propellers are firmly installed. Install the fully charged battery and check whether it is secure. Install the SD card and check whether it is secure. Remove the camera cover and peel off the protective films.